Let's take a look at a math problem that looks very simple at first, but actually confuses a lot of people. The question is this: what is the value of 12 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2? That's it. Just a short string of operations with no brackets, no powers, and only the numbers 12, 2, and 3. Now, at first glance, many people think they can just jump in and start calculating. And that's where mistakes begin. Some people might first do 2 multiplied by 3 and get 6. Then they might divide 12 by 6 and get 2. Then divide 2 by 2 and get 1. That sounds neat and feels reasonable, and many people would confidently say the answer is 1. But that is not correct. In fact, that method breaks one of the most important and basic rules in all of mathematics, the rule called the order of operations. Then some people might first do 12 divided by 2 and get 6. Then they might multiply 6 by 3 and get 18. Then divide this 18 by 2 and get 9. So what exactly is the order of operations? Why does it matter so much? And how can it completely change your answer in a problem like this? Well, imagine if different people did the same problem in different orders. One might do multiplication first, another might do division first, another might go from right to left instead of left to right. If everyone did their own thing, math would become chaotic. So mathematicians agreed, long ago, on a universal rule for the correct order in which operations must be performed. That rule is called PEMDAS, and it is remembered by a funny little phrase: "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Each of those words stands for a step. Please stands for parentheses. Excuse stands for exponents or powers. My and dear stand for multiplication and division. Aunt and Sally stand for addition and subtraction. This phrase acts like a checklist to help us know what to do first, second, and so on when we're faced with a mix of operations in the same problem. Let's go over each part clearly. Parentheses always come first. If something is grouped using brackets or round symbols, you must solve that part completely before touching anything else. Even if the math inside the parentheses is complicated, you do all of it first. Next come exponents. These are powers. For example, 3 raised to the power of 2, which means 3 multiplied by 3. If you see any powers in the problem, you handle them after completing all the parentheses. Then comes the part that trips up most people: multiplication and division. These are on the same level in priority, so you don't always multiply first just because it comes earlier in the phrase. Instead, you scan the problem from left to right and do whichever of the two appears first. Finally, the last step is addition and subtraction. Just like before, they are equals. You don't always add before you subtract. Again, you move from left to right and solve as you go. This order keeps everything consistent. Without it, two people could do the same problem in two different ways and get two different answers. And that would create chaos. Now, let's use that idea to solve the problem correctly. We are given 12 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. According to the order of operations, we start from the left and look for any division or multiplication. The first operation from the left is 12 divided by 2. That gives us 6. So now our expression becomes 6 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Next, still going from left to right, we do 6 multiplied by 3, which gives 18. Now we are left with 18 divided by 2. That equals 9. So the correct final answer is 9. That's it. Nothing fancy. Just following the correct order, left to right, and doing one step at a time. So can you now let me know in the comments, what will be the answer to 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2? Don't rush it. and don't fall for what just feels right. Instead, apply what you've just learned about the order of operations. Start from the left, take it one step at a time, and see where it leads you. This is a perfect chance to test your understanding and see if you truly grasp the concept. I'll be waiting to see your answers in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.